Hey there! Welcome to ESL Class 101, where English is made easy and learning is made fun.
The present simple tense uses at a glance.
The present simple expresses general truths and facts, habits and routines, scheduled events and timetables, instructions and directions, zero conditional cause-effect statements, live commentary and narration, and it is used with state verbs, mental state verbs, and performative verbs. The present simple is used to describe things that are always true, factual, or scientifically proven. Examples: the Philippines is a country in Asia. The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Habits and routines. Use the present simple to talk about regular or repeated actions. These are often accompanied by adverbs of frequency, such as always, often, sometimes, rarely, never, and time expressions like every day, on Mondays, at night. Examples: 1. I go to work every weekday. 2. She often studies after dinner. 3. He bites his nails when he is nervous. Scheduled events, timetables. The present simple is used for fixed plans, timetables, and official schedules, especially for public transport or organized events. Examples: 1. The train departs at 7:30 a.m. 2. School begins next Monday. Instructions and directions. Use the present simple and imperative form to give directions, commands, or step-by-step instructions. Examples: first, peel the potatoes. Turn right at the traffic light. Wash your hands before you eat.
The zero conditional expresses general truths, rules, or laws, situations where one action always leads to another. Form: if, when, plus present simple, to present simple. Examples: if you heat ice, it melts. When it rains, the streets get slippery. Commentary and narration. The present simple is used in live commentaries, sports, broadcasts, and summaries of books, films, or stories to describe actions vividly. Examples: 1. He passes the ball, shoots, and scores. 2. In Chapter 1, the hero faces his fears. State verbs. State verbs describe conditions, emotions, possessions, and senses. They are not normally used in the ing form. Examples: 1. I like spicy food. 2. She owns a vintage car. 3. This book belongs to Sarah. Mental state verbs describe cognitive processes, what people think, know, or believe. Examples: I know the answer. They believe in honesty. I doubt the story is true.
Performatives. Performatives are verbs that act as they are spoken. They are always used in the present simple in positive statements. Examples: 1. I promise to call you. 2. We apologize for the delay. 3. I warn you about the slippery floor.
Other common performative verbs include acknowledge, admit, advise, beg, confess, congratulate, declare, deny, forbid, guarantee, name, order, permit, predict, refuse, remind, request.
Now it's time to check your comprehension. Complete these 3 activities and apply everything you've just learned. The tasks are timed, so stay focused and give it your best effort, okay? Let's get started. Read each sentence carefully. Decide which function of the present simple it shows.
Activity 2. Error correction. Find and correct the mistake in each sentence in your head. For this final activity, pause the video and complete each sentence with your own ideas using the present simple tense.